Welcome to Curie Electronics. Today we are solving second exam problem based on Thevenin theorem. So this question was asked in 2016, and here the question is find the current through 10 ohm resistor by using Thevenin theorem. Now in the question they are saying we have to find the current through 10 ohm resistor. So RL equal to 10 ohm. Whichever the resistor we have to find the current, that resistor we have to take it as load resistor, that is RL. Let's solve it now. First step, remove the load resistor temporarily from the network for which the Thevenin equivalent to be found. Mark the terminals of the remaining two terminal network. Okay, so what I have done, I have removed the 10 ohm resistor, that is our RL. From here I have removed the 10 ohm resistor, that was RL. Then the remaining two terminal network I have named it as A and B. Step 2, calculate ETH, that is the ETH means open circuit voltage. When you remove the load, open circuit, after removing the load, we will get the open circuit voltage. Calculate ETH by finding the open circuit voltage between the marked terminal. That means we have to find our ETH is equal to, if you connect a multimeter between B and A, whatever the reading multimeter shows, that is the ETH. So if you see here, if you observe this circuit, our open circuit voltage, that is the voltage between A and B, is same as the voltage across 20 ohm resistor. This 4 ohm resistor and this 20 ohm resistors connected like a potential divider. Now we will apply the potential divider rule or voltage divider rule and find the voltage across 20 ohm resistor. That is, now we will find out ETH equals 20 ohm, across 20 ohm resistor we want the voltage. So 20 upon, this is the voltage divider rule I am applying. 20 upon 20 plus the other sum of two resistors, 20 plus 4 multiplied by, what is the potential divider input voltage? That is 50 volt. So which equals 20 upon 24 multiplied by 50. Now we can divide by 4. 6, 5. So what do you get? 550 upon 6 we will get. Let me use a calculator to save time. 550 upon 6. Not 550, right? 5 into 50, that is 250. Right, that is 250. 250 upon 6. It comes to 41.66 volt. 41.66 volt. So we got the ETH. See, this using the voltage divider rule, I have found the ETH. Voltage, see, what is voltage divider rule? VT equal to R2 upon R1 plus R2 multiplied by V. This is the voltage divider rule. So the same rule I have applied. So whatever the voltage drop across 20 ohm is there, same voltage drop is there. That is the same voltage is there between A and B. That is the open circuit voltage. So next step, replace the voltage sources by short circuit and current sources by open circuit. But in this circuit we have only voltage source. So let's replace it by short circuit. So we will remove it and place a short circuit. We will remove the voltage source and we will short that terminals. Now step 4. Find the resultant resistance RTH between the two marked terminals. So we have to find RTH between A and B. If you see these 4 ohm and 20 ohm resistors are in parallel. So 4 ohm parallel with 20 ohm. What we get? Equivalent resistance RT equals 4 multiplied by 20 upon 4 plus 20. So that is equal to what? We will get 80 upon 24, which equal to what? 80 upon 24. 80 upon 24. We get 3.33 ohms. 3.33 ohms we got. But there is one more resistor in series with this parallel equivalent resistance, that is 5 ohm. So now what is the circuit? We have a, let me draw it. We have 3.3 ohm resistor in place of 4 and 20. Then we have a, so this is our 5 ohm resistor and this is the equivalent what we got, 3.33 ohms. Now between A and B we want to know what is the total resistance. Now this is a series resistance, so RT equal to sum of these two resistors. So it is 8.33 ohm. So now what we got? We got RTH also. RTH equal to 8.33 ohms. Now we will draw the equivalent Thevenin circuit and solve the problem. Let me draw the equivalent Thevenin circuit. So we have a voltage source in series with a resistor RTH. So what is the value for RTH? RTH equal to 8.33 ohms. What about the open circuit voltage ETH? ETH equal to 41.66. 41.66 volt. And we have to connect the load resistor. What is the load resistor? What is the load resistor? That is 10 ohm resistor. Now whatever the current flows through this RTH, the same current will flow through the 10 ohm resistor also. So here I equal to, if you find the series circuit current, same current will flow through 10 ohm resistor also. So I equals, what is the equation for I? V upon R total, RT. So it's a series resistance. So 41.66 volt divided by sum of these two resistors, that is 10 ohm plus 10 plus 8.33 ohm. So which equals 41.66 upon 18.33. Let me solve with a calculator. 41.66 upon 18.33. It comes to 2.27 amps. 2.27 amps. So that is the answer. 2.27 amps of current flows through this 10 ohm resistor. 2.27 amps of current flows through this resistor. I hope you understood how to solve the problem using the Thevenin theorem, Thevenin equivalent circuit. If you like the video, please share with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button.